Physical fitness is the dynamic ability of your body systems to work together efficiently, granting you the energy to perform daily activities and enjoy leisure time without fatigue. It is not just about exercise, but a total state of well-being that safeguards your health and elevates your quality of life.
Hey Nate, come and join us. It's our pee time, you know? We should move. Come here, come. Come and join. So for our first exercise, jogging, okay? Let's go. Come on, jogging. So that's the end of our workout today, guys. So all of you guys did a great job today, except for Mr. Salve.
A sedentary lifestyle is a silent danger that deteriorates your body's functions, significantly raising the risk of obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. Without regular movement, your vitality drains away, leading to a compromised immune system and a significantly shorter, less active life. True fitness requires balancing the health components: cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, muscular endurance, flexibility, and body composition, with the skill components: agility, balance, coordination, power, reaction time, and speed. Developing all these areas is essential because it maximizes your body's performance, prevents injury, and ensures that you are physically ready for any challenge.
No, 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 just like the wind. With just one touch, I can with just one touch, I can feel my body giving in. With just one touch, with just one touch, I can feel my body giving in. No, 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 just like the wind.